Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deepika. So many of us these days keep continuing to talk about climate changes, global warming, greenhouse gases and all, but so many of us fail to understand what these terms exactly mean, and so many of us even keep wondering about what the international leaders are going to do by just signing treaties on climate changes, and what is it even going to happen by just signing the treaties on climate changes. These are all what I'm going to be talking about in this video, so please do continue watching. So what is a climate change? The Earth's average temperature is 15 degrees Celsius. Let me explain that with an example. The human body itself has got an average temperature of 36 degrees Celsius, and we all know that. So when the temperature increases, which is measured in Celsius and not in Fahrenheit, because we usually have the tendency to measure the fever in terms of Fahrenheit, saying 100 degrees and 108 degrees, but that is not the case. I'm measuring this with Celsius. So the average temperature of the human body is 36 degrees Celsius, and when we are affected with high temperature, say for example fever, the temperature will probably move to something called 38. So this is hypothermia. So the heat in the body keeps increasing, leading to fever. And on the other case, when the temperature drops to, say for example 35 degrees Celsius, the body becomes colder. So from average temperature 36, which drops to 35, leads to hypothermia, which leads the body colder. So this is the same case with the earth as well. The gases in the atmosphere, when they keep increasing with the heat, the temperature increases, leading to something called as global warming. The entire globe, the entire earth starts to warm up with an increase in the temperature. So how does it even increase the temperature? How does the atmosphere increase with the temperature? So say for example, we breathe. So the natural biological and ecological cycle is that humans release carbon dioxide and absorb oxygen. And trees on the other hand release oxygen and absorb carbon dioxide. This is the natural eco cycle. But due to the so-called deforestation, which is destruction of the trees for the construction of the buildings, owing to the focus that we have towards the economic growth, the carbon dioxide molecules, which are emitted not only by the humans but also by domestic modes like through refrigerators, through air conditioners, through vehicles, and through industrial wastes as well, like the stearic gas leak which happened recently in Hyderabad. These carbon dioxide molecules are trapped in the atmosphere because there are not many trees to absorb them. And these carbon dioxide molecules have the capacity to retain the heat in them. That is the reason when we breathe out, the air that we breathe out is so hot, because the carbon dioxide molecules have the tendency to trap the heat from the body. Similarly, the carbon dioxide molecules in the atmosphere can trap the sun that falls on them. This is the reason there is an increase in the global temperature. And now we have understood why there is an increase in the global temperature. So what is going to happen? It's just the heat. We all know that the earth is spherical, with the northern and the southern pole covered with ice and glaciers. Arctic and Antarctic oceans have started melting rapidly with an increase in the sea level. With these statistics, it has been predicted that in near future there can be a lot of cities around the world to be submerged under the sea. We should not let this happen. So many leaders across the world have come forward in signing this treaty under the UNFCCC, United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change. So this treaty actually focuses on the leaders across the countries to sign them, saying that they can control the production and consumption of such harmful resources which can emit carbon dioxide and other harmful gases like methane and all into the air. This is the reason why so many leaders across the world having the importance of the climate change in mind have gone to sign those treaties. Having said about all these things, we as individual persons also should be equally responsible in saving the environment, in saving the globe, by maintaining the atmosphere of the earth, by not using such harmful resources for unnecessary reasons. With this note, let me end today's video. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe, like and share. Good day. Bye-bye.